Cameron Crayk with the Crayk Closed Real Estate Group, and we're out here in front of one of the natural wonders of the world, the Great Salt Lake. And we're getting ready to head over to another wonder of the world, my latest listing, with all the benefits of a single family home for less than 350 grand. I'm super excited to be here and share my latest listing with you at 7418 West Copperview Drive. Perfect starter home. It's a 1,266 square foot condo with 3 beds and 2 baths. All the amenities of a single family home. You're gonna love it. Let's go take a look. Let's get this tour started. As we come in through the front door here, we walk in and to the right. We've got our laundry here on the right, conveniently on the main floor here. Nice little half bath on the left. And then it opens up into this kitchen here, which is tiled. It's been updated. We've got plenty of counter space, a ton of cabinet space as well. Right off the kitchen, it opens up into this great living room here. We've got that same laminate flooring in here. Super easy to clean, doesn't scratch. I've got the same stuff in my home. It's awesome. We've got a nice spacious living room here, great for entertaining. A really cool gas fireplace over here, super cozy for the winter. This is a perfect area to watch movies and entertain. I know you can picture yourself enjoying yourself on this main floor. It's awesome main floor living, but let's head upstairs and see what we've got up there as well. Come up the stairs, the first thing you'll notice here on the right is an updated bathroom. We've got a great little vanity here, new tile. It's got a great little mirror hutch here. It's perfect for the 3 bedrooms that are here upstairs. Coming from the bathroom here, just down the hallway on the right, we come into this large master bedroom. It's another wonder of the world. In a condo this size, you usually don't have a master bedroom with this much room in it. Plenty of room for your bed and all your furniture. Like I mentioned, this would be the perfect starter home. So when you wake up in the middle of the night to the baby crying, the nursery is right here, directly across from the master bedroom. We've got a really good sized nursery here. And here we are in the third of the 3 bedrooms, which is also a good sized bedroom, or it could also be used as the seller's using it as a nice home office. We're outside now, and we're gonna take a look at a few of the unique features that this condo has that most don't. We've got this cool enclosed carport. It's enclosed by a storage shed / workshop here. It has electricity and everything. You're gonna love it. Let's take a look at it. Look at this perfect little man cave. It's got electricity out here, nice little workbench. It's the perfect spot for your weekend projects. Check out this curb appeal. You can tell the sellers put a lot of time, money, and effort into making sure that this place looks top of the line all the time. Another beautiful feature of this condo, it's got a nice sized yard, well maintained, well groomed, a really nice fence leading into the backyard. We've probably saved the best for last. Wait till you see this backyard. Like I said, we saved the best for last. Check out this backyard oasis. We've got fruit trees, we've got apricots, we've got pears, there's grapes, there's corn growing over here. It's fully fenced. This is just like living in a single family home. We've got a fire pit here. It's super cool for entertaining friends and family. It's a really cool outdoor living space. We've got a covered patio here. There's more storage under there. This place, I can't tell you how much storage this place has for a little 1,300 square foot condo. There's plenty of room for everything. You can sit under the patio in the winter so you don't get wet. You can come out here in the summer and enjoy the backyard. It's perfect. So there you have it. Where else are you going to find all the benefits of a single family home in a condominium for under $350,000? Nowhere. For a private showing, call or text me 801-971-9357 and check out CameronCrayk.com.